Like I hate.
R-S-T.
C-U-V. All right, W. Phenomenal.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R.
Monday.
Nah.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you?
Where are you from?
New York.
New York. Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. Oh, basically, do you live in Times Square? Nearest Times Square? Oh.
No.
Actually, I am very interested to know about Times Square. Please give me some important information. Yeah.
It's 8 p.m. It's
Oh.
nighttime.
Okay.
Toddy, be respectful. Don't talk about him like that. You don't know him. Sorry about that.
Okay, basically, I am very interested to learn American accent because I am Bangladeshi. I cannot.
Oh.
Yeah, I cannot speak American accent properly. Are you interested too?
I mean, you can watch more movies, listen to more music.
Oh, how can I develop about this matter?
Listen to like our music and watch our movies.
Oh, listen music and watching movies. Okay. Oh, actually, will you teach me A to Z alphabet?
What?
A to Z alphabet right pronunciation? Please teach me.
What?
Alphabet. A to Z alphabet. Please teach me.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? You're scaring the fuck out of me. What?
Yeah.
Alpha, thank you. What did you say? Are you doing like a ritual on me? What is going on?
Just I am pronouncing. Please listen to me. Will you correct me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H, I, J,
H.
H,
H.
H, I, rematch.
Just say it once. Don't keep saying
Okay.
it like that. Just say it one time.
H, I, J,
H.
J,
H.
K,
H.
H,
It's not H. H.
H,
Like I hate.
H. Okay.
Hate.
Basically, I, J,
I.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
V. It's not a visa. It's a visa. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
V, right?
Q, R, S, T, U, V. All right, W. W.
W,
V. W.
X, Y, Z, Z or Z. What is the right pronunciation?
Perfect.
Z.
The only thing you didn't do right was like the H. You were saying like ace. H.
H. Okay.
Perfect. Otherwise, it was phenomenal.
Okay. Just please tell me 7 days in a week, right pronunciation, please. Will you hear me? 7 days in a week. Monday.
Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday.
Saturday. Sunday.
Oh, Saturday. Yeah, be like Saturday.
Please repeat.
Saturday.
Repeat. I'm very interested to learn. Basically.
Alpha, I'm done. I'm not doing any more repeat. Go to somebody else, bro. You're gonna have to pay me after. You know what I'm saying? This is the free trial. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. $50 an hour. You know what I'm saying? Talk to you later, bro.
Saturday.
Have a good night.
Rematch. I'm very interested to learn American accent. Rematch. Please listen. Yeah.
Bro. You'll get the lessons through the battles, bitch. I ain't your tutor. Now you're getting me heated.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Nah.
What? Please tell me.
All right, next time, bro.
Tell me.